Steve, WFL are known for producing incredibly complex components. I mean, behind us is just a perfect showcase. But what is it that you do to support your customers being able to do components like this?
Well, Lyndsey, it's a really good question because, as you say, the machines have got a reputation for being able to produce complex parts. If you have a look behind us here, there's a demonstration of these parts, but one of them in particular are screws that we use within the plastic industry. They're complex, detailed in shape and features, but equally we have a software that enables our customers to be able to produce their components with ease and confidence, and it's called ScrewCam, and it's part of our Crash Guard Studio software, where we have a modelling capability which allows our customer to use the software to create a model of their components with ease, and utilising the skills of our team who put the software together to speed up their process of developing a model of their components.
And what about program creation?
Well, that's even better. So now we've got the ScrewCam software, we've gone through the model creation, but in the program creation we take the model that's being created in the modeling software and it goes into the program creation, again taking an awful lot of responsibility away from our customers.
Do they need this? Is that what is happening in the industry at the moment?
Yeah, because a lot of people, I've said this about our machines for many years, and one of our added values is that our machines can sing or play a tune, but they need a conductor, and the conductor's the software.
I love that.
And that's how it works. Because without having the capability, a lot of people have lost their manufacturing capability, so having a software that enables you to produce competent programs using competent modelling software is ideal.
What about simulation and programming then? Because that really does give people that confidence.
It does, because the simulation side of it, this is an expensive piece of kit that we see over here producing these type of components. It takes the risk factor away. There's an awful lot of cost put into place in damaging a machine, a lot of production lost in damaging a machine. But with the software, it creates the simulation gives you the confidence to see what's going to happen, and it is based on exact data, and that's how we use it. So it's the data that's used in the actual machining process that's replicated in the simulation software, and ultimately this creates a CNC program.
And talking about data, what about the measurements then?
I think that's equally important, because as I've just pointed out, these are complex shapes, very complex shapes, but we can use the full capability of the machine and its reach in terms of the 5-axis using the TBM, and it's got a lot of in-process measurement protocols, so we can use a probe. But one of the, I don't know if it's a very strong feature of a WFL machine, we have ultrasonic measurements, which allows us to measure the components and actually make offsets and put the components in a nice position so everything's concentric to each other.
So sum up, Steve, for me, how are you helping the customer here?
Oh, it gives our customers the confidence and the strength and the understanding that when they get a new inquiry from one of their customers, they take the components, they model the components, they put it into our ScrewCam software. It creates the model, creates the simulation, creates the CNC program, creates the Crash Guard Studio program run through, and ultimately, because by the time you put that piece of raw material into the machine, you know that when it goes in, it's coming out correct.
I love that, Steve. Confidence with WFL.